In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up in WordPress using Elementor. Pop-ups can significantly enhance user interaction, capture visitor information, and even boost conversions when used effectively. So, let's get started on how to seamlessly integrate this feature into your site. First things first, we need to navigate over to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the nerve center of your WordPress site, where all configurations, customizations, and plugins are managed. If you haven't already done so, log into your WordPress account to access the dashboard. Once you're there, it's crucial to ensure that you have both the Elementor and Popup Maker plugins installed and activated. Elementor is a powerful page builder that allows you to construct beautiful web pages without coding. Meanwhile, Popup Maker is a popular tool for creating, customizing, and managing pop-ups on your site. Head over to the Plugins section, click on Add New, search for these plugins, and proceed to install and activate them. With the right tools in place, we can now create our pop-up. Navigate to the Popup Maker menu on your dashboard and click to create a new pop-up. Customize it to your liking. You can add text, images, or even videos, whatever you think will most effectively engage or convey your message to the audience. Once your pop-up is looking great, you'll see an option to copy the CSS class for this pop-up. Make sure to copy it, as you will need it for linking the pop-up to a trigger element on your page. Next, open the page where you want the pop-up to appear. This could be your home page, a product page, or any other page where a pop-up might be beneficial. To make edits using Elementor, click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will launch the intuitive drag-and-drop visual editor that Elementor is renowned for. Now, let's add a button to your page, which will serve as the trigger for our pop-up. You can easily add a button by dragging the Elementor button widget onto your page. Customize the button's appearance to align with the theme and style of your site. The final step involves linking the button with the pop-up we've created. In the Elementor editor, click on the button you've added. Go to the section labeled Advanced Settings. Here you'll find a field for the CSS class. Paste the CSS class that you copied from Popup Maker into this field. This action establishes the connection between the button and the pop-up, allowing visitors to view the pop-up upon clicking the button. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated pop-up on your WordPress page using Elementor and Popup Maker. You can now test the button to see the pop-up in action. Remember, effective use of pop-ups can significantly enhance user engagement, so explore different designs and configurations to find what best serves your audience and objectives. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!